Exploring Andhra Pradesh cuisine, the fiery flavors of the south. Indulge in the captivating realm of aromatic spices and bold flavors as we embark on a gastronomic journey through the culinary paradise of Andhra Pradesh. This South Indian state is renowned for its fiery curries and tangy pickles, creating a delightful fusion of zest and spice. The quintessential Andhra meal, lovingly served on a banana leaf, showcases an exquisite array of dishes, including the tantalizing Gongura Chicken, the savory Pesarattu, and the iconic Hyderabadi Biryani. The skillful infusion of red chilies, tamarind, and mustard seeds imparts a distinctive piquancy to each delightful creation. Venture into the realm of spicy delicacies such as the zesty mirchi bhaji, the delectable Venkaya pachadi, and the lip-smacking Natu Kodi Pulusu. Don't miss the chance to savor the delightful seafood wonders, including the flavorful Royyala Iguru and the tantalizing Chepala Pulusu. But the culinary journey does not end there. Andhra Pradesh's rich gastronomic heritage boasts an array of sweet treats to perfectly complement the fiery fare. Pootharekulu, with its delicate rice wafer delight, is an exquisite confection that showcases the confectioner's artistry. Aptly referred to as the paper sweet, Pootharekulu entices with its unique texture and delightful flavors. Not to be missed is the sumptuous Qubani ka Meetha, an opulent dessert that traces its roots to the royal kitchens of Hyderabad. The velvety apricot puree, meticulously crafted, imbues the dessert with a rich taste and delightful sweetness, making it an irresistible indulgence. As we unravel the culinary tapestry of Andhra Pradesh, we discover the symphony of spices that define its cuisine. Fiery red chilies, pungent mustard seeds, aromatic fenugreek, and tangy tamarind lend their unique essence to the dishes, creating a harmonious melody of flavors distinct from other regional fare. Beyond the iconic dishes, Andhra Pradesh offers a delightful variety of culinary delights. Pesarattu, a savory crepe made with green gram and rice, accompanied by ginger or coconut chutney, tantalizes the palate as a favorite breakfast option, providing a healthy and delicious start to the day. Of course, no culinary journey through Andhra Pradesh would be complete without savoring the iconic Andhra Biryani. This delectable dish, a true representation of the state's passion for spice and flavor, captivates with its fragrant basmati rice, tender meat or vegetables, and tantalizing blend of spices. Each grain of rice bursts with flavor, thanks to the meticulous blending of spices, combining the spiciness of red chilies with the subtle sweetness of caramelized onions. Let us not forget the array of delectable chutneys that elevate every meal. Gongura chutney, crafted with unique sorrel leaves, adds a fiery and tangy note to the dining experience. The creamy peanut chutney and aromatic coconut chutney, too, take center stage, enhancing the taste of every dish they accompany. To add even more flavor, the region offers a delightful selection of pickles. A Venkaya pickle, with its fiery and tangy essence derived from raw mangoes and red chilies, is a beloved favorite. The lip-smacking Alam Pachadi, a ginger pickle, and the versatile spice mix known as Nala Karam infuse each meal with a burst of flavor. Coastal Andhra takes pride in its delectable seafood delicacies, including the spicy Royyala Bipudu, spicy prawn fry, and the tantalizing Chepala Pulusu, fish curry. On the other hand, Rayalaseema is renowned for its hearty and spicy meat dishes, exemplified by the succulent Gongura Mamsam, mutton curry with sorrel leaves. Tirupati Laddu holds immense significance in Hindu culture as a revered and iconic sweet delicacy. Crafted with utmost devotion and precision, this laddu is a unique blend of flavors and textures that captivate the taste buds. The generous use of ghee, clarified butter, sugar, flour, and cardamom adds a touch of love and care to each handcrafted piece. Bundar laddu, originating from the coastal town of Machilipatnam, Bundar laddu is a round-shaped sweet treat made with gram flour, sugar, and ghee. Its melt-in-your-mouth goodness has earned it a reputation that extends far beyond the region, making it one of the geographical indications from Andhra Pradesh. Ariselu. Another beloved sweet of Andhra, Ariselu, known as Adirasam, in some regions, is a deep-fried treat made from rice flour and jaggery. Encased in a golden brown exterior, this confection delights with its sweet and flavorful interior, making it a popular choice during festivals and celebrations. Kakinada Kaya. Hailing from the coastal town of Kakinada, Kakinada Kaya is a flaky and crispy sweet delight made from sugar, ghee, and maida, refined wheat flour. With its unique taste and texture, Kakinada Kaya has earned a special place in the hearts of sweet enthusiasts. Indeed, Andhra Pradesh's diverse and flavorful cuisine is a testament to its rich cultural heritage and culinary artistry. The state's sweet treats, Pootharekulu and Qubani Meetha, strike a harmonious balance, providing a delightful conclusion to a memorable gastronomic adventure.